Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Stripe app. To download Stripe, all you need to do is first make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Once it's done, open your Play Store app. In the search box, type in Stripe. And in the search result, tap on the Stripe app, which will appear like this. And tap on install button to download the app. Now wait for the application to be downloaded and installed, which will only take few minutes. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch Open Stripe. That is how easily you can download Stripe on your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in next video. Till then, goodbye.